Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the control panel of your Thermomix TM31. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a spanner set. Ensure you have a clean workspace to keep your components organized. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure it is completely disconnected before proceeding. Next, remove the base of the Thermomix. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the 4 screws located at the bottom. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off, exposing the internal components. Now locate the control panel. It is typically secured with additional screws. Carefully unscrew these using your flathead screwdriver. As you do this, take note of the positioning of each screw, as they may vary in size. With the screws removed, gently pull the control panel away from the main body. Be cautious of any wires connected to the panel. If you encounter resistance, double check for any screws you may have missed. Once the control panel is free, take a moment to clean the area inside your Thermomix. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, affecting performance. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the interior, ensuring no particles remain. Now it's time to install the new control panel. Align it carefully with the connectors and gently push it into place. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, securing the panel firmly but not overly tight to avoid damaging the plastic. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. Our professional diagnosis without obligation ensures you know exactly what needs to be done before any work begins. After securing the control panel, replace the base of the Thermomix. Align it properly and reinsert the screws at the bottom. Ensure everything is tight and secure. Finally, plug your Thermomix back in and test the new control panel. Check all functions to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs up front. In summary, replacing the control panel on your Thermomix TM31 is a straightforward process with the right tools and guidance. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember that we offer no calls, no travel services, making it easy for you to get your appliance repaired without any hassle. Thank you for following along and enjoy your perfectly functioning Thermomix. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.